Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's session, we are going to talk about one of the most important topics for beginners and even experienced learners. How to learn any programming language or concepts from AI, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, or even LLMs. Whether you are starting from zero or trying to expand your knowledge, there are two powerful ways to learn effectively today. One is using MOOCs platform, and second is using AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and others. Let's break both of these down. First is learning through MOOCs, where MOOCs stand for Massive Open Online Courses, are one of the most popular and structured ways to learn technical subjects. Here are some of the well-known platforms like Coursera, EDX, Google AI, Udacity, Udemy, Simply Learn, Code Academy, freeCodeCamp, Stanford Online, Harvard Online, MIT OpenCourseWare, UC Berkeley Extension, and Deep Learning AI. These platforms are listed in no particular order. Each one has its own strengths and weaknesses. Some provide highly structured university level learning, while others focus more on hands on coding practices. Important notes that we should consider while choosing courses. The same subject may appear on multiple platforms but with different names, structure, difficulty level, and instructors. A shorter course does not necessarily mean low quality. Some short courses deliver excellent clarity. Longer courses sometimes offer more content but may not provide the best teaching experience. Many platforms offer two modes, audit or a free mode. You get access to videos, readings, and lectures but no certificate. Another is paid mode, where you get assignments, graded quizzes, exams, and certificates. Not all platforms offer free audit options, so check before enrolling. Now, how to choose the right course? If you are new, it can be confusing to decide which course to take. Here, you have two options. One is to ask someone experienced in that field. Another one is use an AI chatbot to analyze the course curriculum. Also, you can ask AI to tell you what topics are essential for a particular skill, like Python, ML, NLP, etc. Now, let's talk about a modern, extremely flexible way to learn using AI chatbots. If your goal is to learn concepts and you don't necessarily need a certificate, AI chatbots can teach you anything step by step at your pace and in your preferred style. While learning with AI is powerful, the reasons are you can ask questions anytime, you can ask it to explain concepts in simple words and especially in your language if possible. You can learn any topic from scratch like Python, machine learning, LLMs, cloud computing, anything. You can ask for examples, exercises, quizzes, code reviews, and even personalized study plans. But to use AI effectively, you need to use proper prompts. Using prompt engineering, that is, providing the proper prompt, you can learn very effectively. Let me show you how you can use prompts to guide your learning. I will take ChatGPT as an example, but you can apply the same method to Gemini, Cloud, or any other chatbot. The step one is ask the chatbot to create a proper learning prompt. For example, you can see on the screen the prompt that I have written. Similar way, you can create your own prompt, your own instruction, and give to the AI chatbot. The AI will generate a structured prompt which you can see as seen over here on the screen. That includes learning objectives, difficulty levels, explanations, examples, exercises, and more. Once you have copy and save that prompt in a text editor, you can use that prompt for different modules. So for the example, I have copy pasted the same prompt over here in the chat GPT, and I have got the list of topics that I should learn or I must learn to be efficient in Python programming. So you can see that entire list over here. And let's say if you want to learn a specific topic, for an example, you want to learn this dictionaries and key value data. So just copy paste this entire particular topic, paste it into your favorite AI chatbot and tell it that you want to learn this particular topic from scratch and from basics to master level, and give me the complete learning prompt, and it will give you the proper prompt, which again you can copy paste to get the detailed exercise, detailed lessons on how to learn that particular topic. So you can see that I have copy pasted that prompt over here in this Google AI mode, in this Google Gemini. So everywhere I have got a specific list of topics that I must understand, that I must learn to be efficient in Python programming. Okay, so you will get all the different topics over here by different AI chatbots. So here the AI will give you like explanations, examples, exercise, based practices, summary, even real world application. And you can repeat this process for every module you want to learn. You can also ask like give me 10 exercise on specific topic and then do not provide answers, provide me answers when I ask. Okay, so this way you can create your own prompt and tell AI chatbots to refine that prompts based on which you can get the detailed understanding of different topics. Here are the tips for effective learning using these chatbots. Be clear and specific with what you want. If you are not sure how to ask, simply say, please create a proper prompt for what I am trying to learn. Then refine the prompt if needed. Once it's perfect, ask the chatbot to rewrite the prompt cleanly, and that becomes your master prompt, which you can utilize across the different AI chatbots to get the detailed instruction, detailed exercises, detailed concepts of all those different topics. Okay, and definitely this prompt engineering is not only useful for learning these new skills, but it can be useful for any specific purpose. So that's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.